Everybody wants to code fast. In this video, I'll talk to you about how to use different techniques to improve your coding speed so that you can get your work done in very less time. Keyboard shortcuts will improve your productivity and help you do more with less effort. It will drastically improve your confidence and help you focus on the problem better. If you use multiple screens, you don't need to keep shifting between windows. You can have the requirements on one screen as well as a code editor on the other screen. So using multiple screen is definitely a good way of improving your coding speed. Nowadays, there are a lot of tools available in the market which will help you improve your productivity. Some of those tools include password management tools like KeePass. Then we also have console emulators like Commander. Also, you can use scripts which will automate mundane tasks. So there are different scripts and tools which you need to research and find out which will improve your coding speed. Always take care of the general ergonomics of your working position to make sure that you are very comfortable while coding.